Richard Scarry's The Early Bird. The sun was shining. Early Bird hopped out of bed. He went to the bathroom and washed his face. Well, this is turning out harder than I thought. Early Bird brushed his beak and combed his feathers. Look at that toothpaste tube. Then he put on his blue sailor suit. Wonder if he's going to go sailing. Looks like he's fixing up breakfast. Look at what Early Bird ate for breakfast. I see. Cantaloupe and grapefruit and eggs and bacon and bread. Looks like sausages. Holy moly. Even some vegetables. Why don't you go find a worm to play with, Mommy Bird said. What's a worm? Asked Early Bird. A worm wiggles and it lives in a hole in the ground, said Mommy Bird. So Early Bird went out to find himself a worm. Are you a worm? Asked Early Bird. No, said a bug on a flower. I am a ladybug. Are you a worm? Asked Early Bird. No, I'm a frog, said a fat fellow on a log. Worms live in holes. Early Bird saw something on the ground. Are you a worm? Said Early Bird. I am not a worm, said Bunny Rabbit. Worms wiggle all over. Go look in the garden. In the garden, Early Bird saw a wiggly thing. Hello, worm, Early Bird said. You mean hello, mouse tail, said Freddie Field Mouse. Then he scampered back into his hole. Wow, that wasn't good. He pulled on that tail. I see some bees up above there. Early Bird began to cry. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What's the matter? Said a funny fellow. I can't find a worm, said Early Bird. Well, don't cry, said the fellow. There's a worm right over there. Just hop over and pull him out. Oh, see him sticking out of the ground there? I wonder if it's the other half of that guy. We're about to find out. Early Bird took the worm in his beak and pulled. But the worm was stuck in his hole. Give a big, big pull, Early Bird. Oh, look at how the worm's getting shorter there. He's getting pulled out of the hole. Pop! Why, it's you, said Early Bird. That's right, said the fellow. My name is Wiggly Worm. Well, the sun was going down by this time, and Early Bird had to hurry up home for supper. Come with me, said Early Bird, all the way home. Wiggly Worm and Early Bird played jump worm. Oh, look at, he swings him over his shoulder and jumps like a rope. They had a really good supper. Oh, yeah, look like the worm's eating peas, and the birds are eating all kinds of other things. Wiggly Worm ate a lot of peas. Then Daddy gave Early Bird and Wiggly Worm a piggyback ride all the way upstairs. There they go. Early Bird took his bath with a sailboat. Wiggly Worm took his bath with his hat on. What a goofy guy. Time to go to sleep. Early Bird got into bed. Wiggly Worm went to bed in the flower pot. Good night, Wiggly Worm. Good night, Early Bird. And there is Early Bird dreaming of sailing on a boat, just like Peter Newton. Bye, you guys. Love you very much.